Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight in to show you how to set up a project brief in Zoho Project. This is your ultimate 2025 guide, so let's kickstart your project management journey today. The first step is to log into your account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create one on the Zoho Project website. This step is crucial because it's your gateway to all the tools and features Zoho Project offers. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left side of your dashboard and click on the Plus New button. This helps us because it's the starting point to creating any new project or project brief. After clicking Plus New, select Project. You'll be redirected to a page where you can input your project details. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is creating a unique space for your new project where all its information and progress will be stored. Now that we've done that, it's time to fill in your project details. This includes your project name, description, start and end dates, and more. The reason we do this is to provide a clear snapshot of your project for your team members and stakeholders. Remember, a well-defined project brief can be the difference between a project's success or failure, so ensure you detail your project as accurately as possible. Next up, you need to set your project's access to either private or public. This determines who can view and interact with your project. If you're working on a sensitive project, for instance, you might want to keep it private to limit access. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Create to set up your project brief. This is where Zoho Project works its magic, transforming all the information you've put in into a detailed and organized project brief. And voila! You've successfully set up a project brief in Zoho Project. Remember, the project brief is the backbone of your project, providing a roadmap for your team and stakeholders. Well, that's all we have for today. You're now all set to create project briefs in Zoho Project like a pro. Thanks for watching and see you in our next tutorial.